This is FANUC's latest wire EDM, a very successful machine so far, and Anthony is going to give us a little tour. So it's the CIC model, is that right, Anthony?
That's right, Lindsay. And I'm going to start by lifting the bonnet.
Right, okay, best place to go.
So all starts here with the wire spool. It goes round our wire feed mechanism, which FANUC has simplified further still with the CIC series. And the wire comes down through the upper guide assembly, which incorporates the new taper cut function, which I was very excited about.
Yeah, let's explain to us what are the improvements
here. Yeah, so
it
comes down through here. So we've got actually a manual adjustment on the upper guide itself for the operator, which you can set against. I've got our little jig block there, and that incorporates with the guides that it's getting on the screen. Also another little function with our upper guide assembly. This just unscrews, so all the nozzle, guide, everything all comes out all in one go. Makes it much simpler for the operator. The lower guide assembly is now completely maintenance free. Just other little subtle changes, like the arm mechanism has been lifted up relative to the bottom of the tank. So if a workpiece drops in there, there's less likelihood that it's going to snag on the bellow and cause any downtime, any need for repairs. That's something that...
Well, let's talk about the minimum downtime. You've just said that. How quickly does it replace the wire as well if it breaks? Because you're all about minimising downtime on this model.
It is, yes. So the auto wire feed can feed up to 150 millimetres in 10 seconds.
Wow.
10 seconds only, yeah.
And that's a fast time, isn't it?
It is. And we can rethread on the path as well, so you don't have to go to a start hole or a known position. We can rethread actually on the wire path itself.
So you've made subtle changes here that make major improvements, but then let's move on to the control panel now. Any improvements that you've made here? Because of course, whenever you get a new phone, you get a bit of an upgrade, don't you?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. So this is the latest FANUC model of control. We've got some new technology on there. We'll talk about the parameters for specific materials. Also some improved functionality in terms of the monitoring software that's on there. The maintenance manuals that are available to the operator, everything's there, so that we're making it as versatile, as simple as possible to use.
So much easier. Right, let's go around the side of the machine then. Any improvements that you've made
here? So it is a new design. It's a compact footprint, and one of the reasons that we've done, or one of the things that we've done, to reduce that footprint is actually incorporate the chiller unit so it sits on top of the main casting there, and previously it sat on the floor.
Just makes it that smaller footprint, doesn't it?
A little bit more compact, yeah.
And you've got of previous models.
We have, yes.
Over 33,000 of these out here in the marketplace.
Indeed, yeah. 40 years of technology.
Wow, that's a big number.
One improvement that you see from the previous model, so this is our auto seal mechanism.
Right.
Effectively pre-seals the tank at the back, it cleans itself to stop any sludge or dirt building up.
Was that covered before?
It was. So on the previous model, this had a bellow over it. So it is a self-cleaning mechanism.
Right.
But FANUC have chosen to now expose it so that you can see that it's clean, that you can see that it's...
it's kind of preventative maintenance.
Yeah, and I think it's just less is more. It's a really nice little design change, that, for me.
And this is an option as well. It looks like the hair, lovely and glossy, doesn't it? Yes, Anthony, just agree.
So this is what happens to the wire at the other end of its life.
Yes.
So it's come off the spool, we've gone through the auto feed mechanism, through the upper guide, cutting our part, obviously, through the lower guide, then back out the rear of the machine. So our wire puller there, so this is all FANUC product. So this is a simplified version, and it has 30% of the parts of the previous model, and the maintenance on it, the maintenance time is reduced by 50%.
Oh, really?
So they've simplified it, but the reason was to reduce that downtime so that if and when it does need replacing or it needs maintenance to it, that it's back up and running again as quickly as possible.
You've kind of covered off a lot of areas there. These kind of lots and lots of minor improvements equate to some major changes. So you're improving the cutting performance, you're reducing the downtime, and you're improving the ease of use for the operator.
Absolutely.
Anything else at all?
The build quality of this machine really is second to none. You know, I've been in machine tools for quite a few years, and this is as good as anything I've ever seen in terms of the just overall quality of it, Lindsay.
Yeah, you call it the cat's whiskers, don't you?
It is. I really believe in it. It's been successful so far in the market. You know, customers have been really happy. We had some great feedback.
And you've had a lot of interest in this machine.
We have, yeah.
So if you are looking for a wire EDM machine, I hear these are very competitively priced as well in the marketplace. Do contact FANUC and Anthony for more information on this latest model of FANUC's wire EDM range.